folks, welcome back to the Seattle Leather Research Channel. This is Joe, and I appreciate you joining me for another quick video. Today we are opening a package from Stock & Barrel, based out of Utah. Now, if you're by chance coming across my obscure Seattle review, leather review content, you'll surely have come across Stock & Barrel Company's YouTube page. They are huge in the leathercraft content creation scene. They are big contributors to instructional videos and really great, kind of how it's made type videos. And they were, personally, I benefited from their expertise on what it takes to get started in leathercraft. So some basic tools for kind of handmade small leather goods, and more on that to come in later videos. But for now, I recently ordered the vertical veg tan natural oak wallet. It had been out of stock for a little while. I'm not exactly sure how long, but at some point I signed up to get a text message alert when it got back in stock. And I gotta tell you, it was the easiest purchase I think I've made. It was basically like a one-click buy because they've got Apple Pay enabled and your address is already built into that if you've got the Apple credit card. So it was literally like you click it and you don't have to fill out, pages and pages of like shipping address, billing address, first, last name, all that crap. So really nice. It's just kind of my digital marketer brain kind of working here, but loved how they did that. So without further ado, let's open up this great looking box. And I've got my kind of classic traditional veg tan bridal leather wallet from Filson here, just for kind of a color and sort of texture comparison. Nice touch. Let's take a look. Oh, cool little sticker. Nice. That'll go on the laptop. And oh, sweet. Nice little promo code. Very cool. All right, let's take a look at the wallet. It feels gorgeous. I mean, it is just as smooth as you'd expect. I think it's probably a slightly thinner full grain veg tan. I don't know. I'm no expert at eyeballing these things, but maybe 2 to 3 ounce, I want to say. But the leather is really supple, nice and soft, and looks like we got the interior pockets here, and plenty of space for credit cards. Pretty simple, sort of minimalist wallet. I like how they have done their logo in the bottom corner here. And if you don't know, this is the natural color that the leather takes form when you vegetable tan it. So, if you see any other colors of veg tan, it's because someone's applied some dye, or it's aged, or, maybe just basic oil applications, that kind of thing. But this is the natural color. So the idea, and the reason I was so excited to get this, is because this will age super, super well, and it will actually just literally tell a story over time. It will only get a little more supple, so that's super exciting. And the color will change. So eventually I'd actually expect it to look a little bit more like the wallet here on the right. And this wallet from Filson, again, veg tan leather, this was a bright orange. I almost didn't buy it because of how bright and loud the orange color was. It just wasn't really to my taste exactly, but I loved Filson, and I was assured by one of the employees that it was also going to age super well. So it's the reason why I picked this up, and it truly has. It is now kind of a softer cognac sort of, I don't know if you consider it a saddle tan type leather, but really great, and it will only darken with time. And then this one, just fantastic aging, I'd imagine. And I've actually seen some videos where he's applied some neatsfoot oil and suntan this bad boy, and it really does take a completely different turn with regards to color. So, all right. Very happy with the purchase. I would recommend this if you're in the market for a wallet and you've never tried a vertical wallet, and I've never tried a vertical wallet, so I'm excited to see how I like this from a utility standpoint. I'm sure I'll do some kind of an update video here, but I'm super stoked with it. So please go check out Stock and Barrel and their YouTube page and their online store, and support them. Look at something you like. I'm sure you'll find something really awesome. They do some great work. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining. See you next time.